how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween. Today I'm gonna be transforming myself into this adorable, creepy, cute clown. Clowns are probably, a creepy clown is like my favorite thing to dress up as for Halloween lately, because I'm kind of like, I'm witchy and spooky all year round. So, you know, I want to be cute and quirky with a hint of murder as well. I'm going to show you how I got this look. I kind of just experimented and wung it the whole time, and I've got a couple different like outfit options that I'm going to show you. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you guys are going to dress up as this year. Alright, here we go. We're going to transform into a creepy clown. I'm kind of pulling my jacket down a little bit just because I don't want to get anything on it in case any of my paints drip. And yeah, sorry, I only have one contact lens in. The other one's a little wonky and I can't see out of it. So this is fun, right? I'm first just gonna prime my face. This is the Benefit Professional Primer. This is the LA Girl Liquid Foundation in white, because clown faces are usually white. I'm gonna sacrifice my Cadabra brush for this. It just hit the table. It's okay, you guys. Ooh, bitch. Let's just stipple that around with a brush. I'm only going to keep it on the face. Okay, I'm not going to bring it down. It's not going to match my neck, but that is okay because we're a clown. We're supposed to look like we're wearing, you know, just face paint. So don't cover, I'm not going to cover the ears. Just going to cover the face parts. Beautiful. Now we can take our dampened beauty sponge and blend on top of that. Okay, so it's looking pretty good right now. I don't need it to be like stark white, but I do want to add a little bit more coverage on, you know, the cheeks and stuff where it's a little bit more red. I've got this concealer by Shop Miss A. God damn it if my face isn't in focus. I need to put it on face detection. There we go, bitch. That's my face. I hope I was in focus this whole time, you guys. I have the tiniest little monitor to look at. And it's not even really a monitor. It's an Amazon Fire tablet. Brighten up those under eyes. We want to look awake and lively. This foundation and concealer combo might be one of the worst of all time. But it's okay, it's just Halloween makeup. And it's okay if you look cakey. Like, this is the one time where you can look like a cakey freaking clown with your makeup, because that's what we are. That's who we are. I'm just gonna set that with some powder. This is RCMA No Color powder. For now, I'm just gonna keep my brows this normal shape that I always do, and then maybe if I wanna zazz them up a little bit later on, I will do that. But for now, just gonna do my normal brow shape. They're a little more angular than usual and a little sloppier than usual, which I kind of like. Oh shit. Alright, that bake is very dry right now on my face. Not looking super great. So if this was a first impressions beauty makeup type thing, you guys, I would be telling you right now to stay far away from that LA Girl foundation and the Shop Miss A concealer. They're not a good combo. Let's contour the face a little bit. I'm going to use my Lunatic Cosmetics contour book. I'm going to focus here on these brownie gray shades. Whenever I'm doing like a clown or like a Halloween type thing, I always feel like you can add more contour than you normally would. If you want your face to look sunken in, bring your contour closer to your mouth. Gonna get a little bit on the bot as well. So on the top and bottom of my collarbones to make them look like they're popping out a little bit more. Give a little shadow and dimension. A little bit on the tippity tip. Let's add a little bit of blush, since we are a clown after all. And what clown doesn't wear blush? Name a clown that doesn't wear blush. Oh wait, You know what brush I really like for applying blush is this one. This was limited edition probably, Wet n Wild from their dragon, fire and ice dragon thing, but look at just the shape of it. So good. It's so light and just makes it really easy to not overdo it on the blush. So I think I want to do this crazy pink one and just see if we like that. It's looking so bad on top of this foundation, but I almost kind of like how bad this is looking. It adds to like the creepy effect. I think I'm gonna leave the blush like that for now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna redo it or something later, but let's do highlight next. This is the brightest, whitest highlighter that I own because our theme is kind of like black, white, and red, and so we don't really want to be using a yellow or, you know, the foundation and concealer is like so bad that the highlight like doesn't want to stick. Let's do the Pixie Glow Mist and maybe I can give myself a little bit more hydration. Here we go. It feels so good. There we go. There she is. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So I'm obsessed with I have a new favorite YouTuber, you guys. When I get a favorite YouTuber or somebody that I really like watching, I tend to unintentionally kind of talk like them a little bit. This one is very fitting for me though. Anyway, it's Roxanne. I don't know if you guys have heard of her, but she's iconic and I love her. There's a drag queen named Pearl Liaison, and she has an alter ego named Roxanne, and I'm absolutely 100% obsessed with her, and her videos, they're so funny. If you haven't seen them, I'll probably throw in a link just so that you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so now we all have all that boring face shit out of the way. We can move on to eyes. And for eyes, I'm gonna try using this. This is the Marin Makeup Paradise AQ 8 color palette. And this is the one they call basic, quote unquote, basic. A water activated paint, like face paint, body paint. Comes with an awesome, really big mirror. This thing it's a really nice palette. I got this on Amazon, like 35 bucks or something like that. And what you do is you just get a little bit of water on a brush, dip in, or you can just even drop the water directly into the palette. And it creates this beautiful pigmented paint, you guys. Look at that. So excited. I've only actually ever used this on Gare for like a special video thingy that he's gonna post eventually. But so what I'm gonna try to do is use this as a base for my eyeshadow, make it nice and dark. I want to do like alternating again, so let's do black on this. It's not waterproof, so I feel like that's the only downside to this kind of stuff. I need it to wash off nice and easy, but if you cry, you might be in trouble. Let's see what happens when we blend. Not bad. I'm gonna take that and put it on the lower part of the other eye. Kind of looks like it's starting to crease a little bit. So I'm gonna quickly just start packing on a black shadow. And just do the same on the lower of the other eye as well. Beautiful. Next, I'm just gonna dip in with a little bit of water and get some of the red shade. And you're just gonna load that up on this eye now. Yes, honey. Fill in the bottom of this eye. And we need a clean brush to blend. So it's mixing with the white foundation and kind of looking a little pinky. Maybe if I take Prick from Blood Sugar and pack that on top, it will make it a little bit more of like an orangey red. Just to make things look really interesting, I'm gonna line my, I'm gonna sharpen my eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna line this waterline with black. So the one with the red on the bottom, I'm gonna line it with black, so there's a little bit of contrast there. And then I'm gonna grab a red lip liner. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna be putting that in my waterline. That smells minty. Found it. I'm gonna put this red lip liner by L'Oreal and put that in my waterline. Next, I'm just gonna throw on a little mascara. And I got some on my face, but whatever. While that dries, I really kind of want to drag a little bit of this black down my face in that stereotypical clown-like kind of thing that we've all seen before. And then maybe on this side we'll do up with the black. For this eye we'll go down with the red. I'll put on some really big lashes and I'll be right back. Now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna line my upper waterline with the black pencil. It's a lot easier to do this when I have lashes on. And we're doing both eyes for the upper, just because this will really help your eyelid blend in with the lash. All right, let's do lips next. I'm gonna use my favorite black liquid lipstick by Atomic Makeup called X-Ray. When I'm doing a clown, I kind of try to make, wow. I outline, what am I trying to say, bitch? I overdraw in a certain specific way. So I make the bottom lip kind of like a square. See that? And then for the top, start out by just filling it out normally as you would. For the smile, take a black liquid liner pen. Last thing that we need is a cute little nose, so I added a little bit of red to my nose contour. And I have this cute little swirl. It's like a little confetti swirl thingy. And I'm gonna take some lash glue and I'm gonna stick that to the tip of my nose. That tied it together, you guys. Am I right, or am I right? I love that. I want it to look like the face paint is kind of dripping down my neck. So get like a paper towel and protect your clothes. So the way I'm getting the drips, load up the brush with a lot of watery, liquidy face paint. Lean back and then just press and it should just drip down. I'm just gonna blend the beginning of the drips into my face so it kind of looks a little bit more natural. Okay, and I think that's it. I am just gonna go to a quick wardrobe change and I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's the finished look with my costume. Oop. So the costume I got from Ami Clubwear, amiclubwear.com, and it's really affordable. It came with the dress, which I think is actually pretty cute. I got a medium large. I think I probably could have gotten a small medium because I'm 5'6", and I feel like the torso part is too long, but the leggings fit perfectly. Like, I could actually wear these leggings out. These are so cute. They are, just like, that's my foot. They're like capri leggings, but they're super cute. I love the off-the-shoulder ruffle thing. You could also wear it like this. Little housewife clown chic. Or you can do, pardon me. Or you could do like a fun little tube top type thing. Let me know which way you guys think is the best. I think for now I'm just gonna leave it. The costume also came with like this little hat thingy that it took me a minute to realize what this was because it arrived like this, and I don't know. There's a hair clip on the back, so that's how I knew it was like a hat. So I just took a rubber band and kind of wrapped it around, and I feel like that's how it's supposed to look, and you just pop it on top and ta-da, that'll look super cute. And then it also came with some gloves. Ta-da! I don't know if I'd actually go out and about with the gloves on. Maybe if I like cut the finger holes out or something so I could still like use my phone and like eat and stuff. Oh, you know what, honestly, with everything, this is a very cute. Oh. Oh no. That's not right. Okay, it wasn't even stuck on. Least favorite thing would have to be this little doodad here. I'm sure if I messed around with it enough, I'd be able to get it to work. But for now, I'm taking it off. It's not working for me. You could get like a cheap headband and to hot glue it onto there, and it would be perfect. The craftsmanship on this glove is a little strange. I'm gonna show you a few other ways that I might style it really quick. Okay, so another way that you can customize a store-bought costume is add some of your own little accessories. I added this harness from Cadabra. I think it really, really ties everything together. It looks so cute. I'm obsessed. And then fishnets, you know, instead of the leggings, like maybe if it's going to be too warm, because here in California it's going to be warm on Halloween, I'm sure. And finally, you need something super snuggly and cute to cuddle up in when you're done wreaking havoc, trick-or-treating, what have you. This I also got from Ami Clubwear. They let me pick out 2 things, and I figured, okay, slutty clown can be one of them, but snuggly, comfy, snuggle suit needs to be the second thing. So this is size small. I'd probably get a larger size, to be honest, because you want it to be roomy and comfy, and it's kind of like short on my arms and legs, but it has a pocket, you guys, and a butt zipper so that you can actually go to the bathroom in it. Really snuggly and soft, super cute. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me comments, I love hearing from you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.